Hey, welcome to RT Adam. Today I'm going to be showing you my John Wick Glock 34 toy pistol, which I've modified and painted. So first of all, this gun is really old. I have no clue how old it is. I just found it one of my old weapon drawers, and it was blue, and my backup costume for Halloween is John Wick. As my Pennywise, which I did order to modify, has not turned up. It was supposed to arrive on the 12th, and it's less than a week to Halloween. Today is Monday, Halloween is Thursday, so I'm in a bit of a pickle if that doesn't show up. So anyway, John Wick is my backup, so I am making this pistol. Now, how I originally did it, I filled in some screw holes. Now this side doesn't look as good as my other side, but you may just be able to see that there were some screw holes. I just simply went in with wood filler, fill those, then black spray paint here, let that side dry. Then I went in with a silver dry brush just to get the edges. It gives it a nice realistic look, just where it would naturally get scratched, so on the safety, around by the trigger, just different places. I really like how that turned out though. Then I made the silencer, which is actually just a piece of paper which I have rolled up. And then I painted the back, basically the same, except it has the bullet compartment. And yeah, so this is just a rolled up piece of paper which I then hot glued the seam on the bottom. You want the seam on the bottom so it's less visible than where the bullet would come out. I put some silver dry brush. So yeah, one thing that's cool with this gun is the trigger does pull, just makes a click noise, but you can actually pull the stock back. Anyway, that gives you a rough idea of how to make the John Wick pistol, or just any other movie prop pistol, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll hopefully see you in my next art video.